Takta Corporation was a Japanese automotive parts company. The company had production facilities on 4 continents, with its European headquarters located in Germany, where it also had 9 production deaths and injuries. In 2013, a series of deaths and injuries associated with defective Takta airbag inflators in their Mexican subsidiary Takata Airbags led Takta to initially recall 3.6 million cars equipped with such airbags. Further fatalities caused by the airbags have led the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration to order an ongoing US-wide recall of more than 42 million cars, the largest automotive recall in US history. In June 2017, Takta filed for bankruptcy. It was acquired by Key Safety Systems. Takta was founded in 1933 in Shiga Prefecture, Japan, by Takezo Takada and started to produce lifelines for parachutes and other textiles. In the early 1950s, the company started to research seat belts. Later they incorporated as Takta. In the 1960s, Takta started to sell seat belts and built Japan's first crash test plant for testing seat belts under real-world conditions. In the 1970s, Takta developed child restraint systems. In the 1980s, the company changed its name to Takta Corporation and expanded internationally to Korea, the United States, and later to England to sell seat belts. In 2000, Takta Corporation acquired German competitor Petri AG, forming the European subsidiary Takta Petri, renamed Takta AG in early 2012. Takta AG makes steering wheels and plastic parts, not only for the automotive industry. In May 1995, a recall in the US affecting 8,428,402 predominantly Japanese-built vehicles made from 1986 to 1991 with seat belts manufactured by the Takta Corporation of Japan was begun. It was called at the time the second largest recall in the 30-year history of the Department of Transportation on Takta-equipped Honda vehicles, after many of their owners complained of seatbelt buckles either failing to latching and releasing automatically, or releasing in accidents. It revealed that potentially faulty Takta seat belts were not limited only to Honda vehicles, but to other Japanese imports as well. NHTSA opened up a second investigation on Takta seatbelts broadly as well as individual investigations on the vehicle manufacturers using Takta seat belts to determine the magnitude of the defect. This second investigation was only limited to the front seat belt buckles and in particular Takata's 52X and A7X models. This determined that a total of 11 manufacturers were affected by the investigation. Japanese models sold in the United States by American Honda Motor Co., Isuzu Motors of America Inc., Mazda Motor of America Inc., Nissan North America, Daihatsu Motor Co., American, Mitsubishi Motor Sales of America Inc., and Subaru of America Inc., also had affected seat belt buckles. Moreover, Chrysler, General Motors and Ford all had various models manufactured by Japanese companies with the seat belt buckles concerned, but sold under American names such as the Dodge Stealth and the Geo series under General Motors. Ford had vehicles such as the Probe manufactured by Mazda on its MX-6 platform and the Festiva made by Kia in South Korea, but engineered by Mazda that also had the seat belts. However, unlike Chrysler and General Motors, Ford did not admit that their seat belts could be defective. Initially, some Japanese manufacturers suspected that the seat belt failures were a result of user abuse, rather than a design failure. However, the 9-month investigation by NHTSA concluded that the cause of the defect was that the buckles were made of ABS plastic. Through exposure to ultraviolet light over a period of time, the plastic became brittle and pieces fell off, causing a jamming of the release button mechanism. The manufacturers involved agreed to a voluntary recall, though this did not go smoothly. Only 18% of the 8.9 million cars and trucks with the Takta belt buckle were repaired 2 years after the recall had begun. In addition, NHTSA assessed a $50,000 civil penalty against both Honda and Takta for failing to notify the agency about the seat belt defect in a timely manner. Honda was fined because NHTSA believed the company knew about the hazard at least 5 years before the recall, but never reported the problem to NHTSA, nor offered to conduct a voluntary recall. Tata began making airbags in 1988 and, as of 2014, held 20% of the market. During 2013, several automakers began large recalls of vehicles due to Tata-made airbags. Reports state that the problems may have begun a decade before, with the faulty airbags placed in some Honda models starting in 1998. Honda stated they knew of more than 100 injuries and 13 deaths that were related to Tata airbags. In April and May 2013, a total of 3.6 million cars were recalled due to defective Tata airbags. All of those airbags were made at, or otherwise used inflator units manufactured by, Tata.